Landing pages are incredibly useful tools that allow you more flexibility than a regular web page or your website would do. What is a landing page? A landing page is a standalone web page that contact can land on when they click through from an email, ad, or other digital location. The aim of a landing page is to often capture information from your contacts. In exchange, you will offer them something valuable. That's enough talking about landing pages. Let's get to seeing how we build them within NewZapp. So when you're in your create and send screen, you will now see that there are two tabs available, emails and landing pages. If we click on landing pages, you'll see that we have one currently in our table. If you have not created any landing pages, this will be empty. But for the time being, we're going to go through the process from the beginning, where we create a new landing page from template or HTML if you have it. Select this blank template, give it a name, an engagement guide. So now you'll be inside of the landing page editor. You'll see that it is one-to-one similar to the NewZapp email editor. It is the exact same, you have the same functionality, so there's no new things to learn. The only difference is that when you're utilizing the email editor, you'll know the width of your structure is often set to 660. This is because emails are often formatted at this size, and when they go bigger, often cause problems. However, with a landing page, this is different, as these will not be sent to anyone's inboxes. There will be browser-based pages. These can be as big or as small as you like. And there you go. As you can see, I've quickly whipped together a landing page around our employee engagement guide. I've just added some simple information, kind of leading people to want to understand what employee engagement is and why it is important. That way they'll feel more inclined to read the employee engagement guide. Now, once you're happy with this landing page, you can then go on to next, give it a title, if you wish, give it an Google Analytics campaign number, and then topics if they are available. Then next. Now we come on to the final publish screen, where you'll see the layout again. You'll see the mobile view. As long as if you're happy with both the mobile and desktop view, you can click publish. Now here, your landing page is published. However, it will not go anywhere. It will not be, nobody will be able to access it until you give them the link. So what you'll need to do is click this clipboard. This will copy the link of your landing page. Press OK. As you can see, our landing page is here. We can go into one of our emails. Let's just go into this one for the sake. Now let's change this button to employee engagement guide. Change the link to the one we just had. Or you could click on the document, go over to landing page and select employee engagement guide, one or the other. Then if we go into preview and we click on this button, as you can see, it has brought us to a landing page. It is a wonderful web page. However, you might notice that on my screen, this does not quite reach the edge This is probably because of the image resolution. The fact that it is smaller than my screen's resolution means that it will not cover the full width. So I will need to go back in and edit this so that it actually does cover the full width of my screen. So I'll go out of preview, go back into create and send landing page. Now once we're back in here, if it's published, so if I click on it, it will bring us to reports. We do not want this. So how are we supposed to edit it once it is already published? Well, that's the wonderful thing about landing pages, is that even when it's published, you can edit it continuously. Click on the 3 dots, click on edit, and you'll be brought right back into the editor where you can change as many things as you want. And the moment you go through, so I want to change my background image, so 1740 is clearly not wide enough for my screen, so I will need to source one that is bigger. This one is 2400, that is perfect. There we go. Now all you need to do is go to next, keep the title and everything the same, as long as you're happy with the way it looks again. Click publish. Okay. Now, if I go back into that email that I made without changing anything, I have not changed the link, I have not changed anything. Go into preview, click on the button. Now the top is perfectly edge to edge, edited, did not have to change the link. It is just live updated, the link stays the same. The wonderful thing about this is that whenever you create a landing page, it can be chopped and changed however you feel like, whenever, even if it's already been published, even if there's an email you sent out 2 weeks ago and you want to change the landing page, you can do so, and the email that you sent 2 weeks ago will show you the new landing page once you republish it. And as I quickly jumped over before, the next great thing about landing pages is that you have a reporting aspect inside of NewZapp for your landing page. So you can see who has clicked what links have been clicked, and what links are active. This is very important, as if you click this button to show inactive links, as you can see, these are links that I had previously had in the landing page, but are no longer in there in the current version. So what you may notice is that if you create a landing page, send it in an email, your total clicks will go up, but then when you republish it and new links become active and the old links become inactive, you may see that the total clicks are more than the actual active amount of clicks that you have. That is because the inactive links will count to the total clicks. And then, much like your emails, you can generate managers reports from your landing pages to show their performance. I hope this was helpful to you, and be sure to have a wonderful rest of your day.